What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now I haven't recorded like a little bit, but alright, so pretty much this video today is gonna be my winter wonderland, because if you're near where I live, or probably anywhere right now, it's probably like freezing cold and a blizzard out here. I got no gloves on, and we're just gonna have an overall fun time playing in the snow, because it's like a blizzard out here, man. It's like madness blizzard out here. So pretty much, what we're doing is we're just gonna, do the winter wonderland. It's like a winter wonderland out here. Look at this, freezing cold. Can't feel my hands because I got no gloves on. But right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna probably go up back to the hill. I might go to the, Chris. Oh, by the way, I got a new cameraman. His name's Chris. Introduce yourself, boy.
You already know what it is, man. It's Big Unc Chris out here. You know what I'm talking about, man. You get it?
Yeah. Alright, so pretty much what we're trying to do is right now I think we're just gonna go up the hill and play at the hill. So come on, guys. Oh, and by the way, this is his Michael Myers mask. So hey, what you doing? Audience, zoom a little closer. Alright, y'all slow. Y'all can't slow.
What the hell?
Hey guys, what's up? You finally here? Oh gosh. Oh, that's not my Whew. So right now, you see the gigantic hill. I think you know what's about to go down, boy. Come on. Alright. So, pretty much, since I don't have my sled at my house right now, we're using a basket.
Let's get it.
Alright, let's go. Actually, you know what? I'll hold it for this one. Oh, guys, look, I gotta do this with one hand. It's harder than you think. Hey, Chris, you coming up here too? And you know it. Come on. All right, I need somebody to push me. Bro, it is freezing cold out here. Look at my hands. My hands are burning. We out here, bro. Look at this. Yo, you coming? I need you to push me down the hill. Oh, crap. I'm going to kill myself. All right, I got one hand to do this. And one hand only. Okay, this ain't working. Chris, can you use your help? Oh, crap, I'm going to slide. Okay, guys. Having a little technical difficulties. And not really technical. But you know what? We're saying that anyway. Holy crap. That thing almost killed me. Chris, I need you to come up here. My hands are freezing and I'm about to get frostbite.
There's no way I'm getting up here.
Bro. Is this a video about Winter Wonderland, or is this man just gonna slide? Just climb up.
Can't do it. I'm not getting up there, bro. I'm telling you. I'm not
Go over there beside the hill. Guys, sorry this is taking so long. So right now, what I'm gonna do for y'all, I'm gonna slide down this hill. I'm gonna roll down. Oh crap. Oh, I'm sliding. I can come back up. Guys, I'm about to run back up here. Oh crap. Oh, if y'all see me right now, I know everybody's about to unsubscribe. But guys, all right, let's get this video.
Oh.
Look at this dude.
What's up? Yo, bro. Let me down.
All right. Hurry up.
Pneumonia's for weak legs. We're making YouTube videos, man.
What's up, guys?